Chrome, we will search for the Google Drive. As we type Google Drive and click on the search button here, we will get the search option. So here is the download button. You click on the download button. The download button comes. Then here there are two options, that for individual or for team, and here you will find out the Drive download button. So you have to download for individual and click on the download. As you click on the download button, this agree and download button appears on the screen. Click on the agree and download button and installer will be downloaded here at the bottom. And suppose download don't start, then you wait for some seconds or minute, and then after that you click here. Don't panic, wait for some time. The speed may depend on your internet connection. As this download is completed, click on the installer button and it will be opening the installation setup file on the screen. You have to wait for some time. It will ask you for yes or no for making changes in your device. Tap on the yes button. As you click on the yes button, on your mark, this connecting to internet, downloading, then installation, it will be done. This time it is installing fast because Google Drive is already in my computer. But sometime what happens, it may take some time to download, so don't panic. It depends upon your internet connection also, and after downloading automatically it will install also. So don't panic, don't cross this and wait for some time. Once the installation is completed, then a new screen will appear in front of you. Once the installation is complete, this screen will appear on your desktop, installation complete, and you have to click on the close button. Once installation of the Google Drive completes, this screen appears on your desktop of the computer. You have to click on Get Started button. As you click on Get Started button, these three steps you have to complete. First of all, you have to give your email ID. Once you complete entering the email ID, click on the Next button. Then here you have to enter the password of your. After clicking the Next button, your first step will be completed and you will be proceeding towards the step number 2. Here you have to choose the folder from your computer which will be continuously backup. So just to click on Got It button, and then here you can select the folders in your computer which will be backup on the Google Drive. Please make sure that Google Drive is having very limited option and the space available is only 15 GB. So you have to be choosing wisely about the content and the folder that you want to. So every time a desktop, a document and a picture, it will be consuming a lot of memory. So you uncheck all these 3 boxes and you can create a new folder, or you can choose a old folder which you have already created to be backup in your computer system. So I will click on the choose folder button. Here my computer screen appears. So I will create a new folder here by making right click and select new. Or I can synchronize any other folder which I have already created. So I will create a new folder by the name My Drive. I have created this folder, and this folder I will be continuously backing up in the Google Drive. So this My Drive folder I will click, and I will click on the select button. As I click on the select button, this folder is getting added here and it is validating the folder. Here 2 plans are available for high quality, free unlimited storage, and original quality 15 GB. You can choose either of the plan. Suppose I am choosing high quality, free, unlimited, and I will click on the next button. As I will click on the next button, synchronize my file drive folder on this computer and click on the Got It button. And you have to check these two options, but don't check this third one, and click on the Start button. As you click on the Start button, now let me show how to put data in your Google Drive. First of all, you need to copy data. Then open your Google Drive. Select the classroom in which you want to post your data. Suppose you want to post your data in this class 6 English ABCD. Double click. Open the folder of that particular class. After opening the folder, copy the data from whatever location it is and paste here in the class. And slowly your computer will copy the data and it will be in the same desired location. When the data is pasted here, you can see the data. In the status bar here, and slowly the data is getting uploaded. Once the data is uploaded, then this data will be available online to you all, and you can access the same data in your mobile also, and you can link the data in your different Google classes. So hope you understand. Thank you for watching.